got a little scoliosis going on, so hey guys, welcome back inside the shop for another video. This video, you guys, is going to be very sporadic, and I don't even know how I'm going to put it together just quite yet. So last week was the final week with my house. I sold the house, so most of the week was spent moving. Looks like organized chaos over there. That's because it is. I know where everything is. We're doing a timing set and freshening up this used engine to go in a customer's Sequoia. The 4.7s don't go bad, so why are we doing an engine? Well, somebody put the thermostat in wrong. It got hot, it stuck closed, and they cooked the head gasket. So I worked out a deal with the guy, and all I'm gonna say is I got a B2000 and a B2200 outside, a Ford 9-inch rear end over there in storage, and I get to keep the old 4.7 liter V8. And there's a drift track like 15 miles down the road, so I mean, you can connect the dots there. But in this video, we're just gonna compile all of the action and chaos that ensued during moving week. We also had a drift event that we visited. We put a set of spark plugs in a 3-valve Ford F-150. That was a ton of fun. So I don't really know the direction of this video yet, you guys. I'm just going to put it together. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in a bit. You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I do.
No.
I know, I'm helping your dumbass.
Why are you such a dink?
Because I'm old and fat. And hairy.
And hairy?
Yeah.
This is not much fun. This thing is huge. Taking the tire with us as insurance. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Good enough? I think that should work. Of course, I lost the pipe for this. I think we're good. Going down. There we go, nice and straight and out of the way. We got a set of coils from Bravex. So if you guys have been following any of the social medias, anything like that, any of the shorts, you know we're working on a 3-valve F-150. So before anyone jumps in the comments and attacks me, I've spent a lot of time researching this brand, Bravex, which it's an Amazon coil pack, you guys. And I personally tried these in my F-150, the old 2-valve that's outside. I've put probably 17,000 miles on these coils. Not an issue at all. Now, I'll preface this by saying most of the time you get aftermarket coils, you get stuff on eBay, they're junk. These had about 1,800 5-star reviews when I reviewed them for the work truck that was outside. And this set of 8 coils, this set was $70, okay? So $70 for a whole set of coils. You get these from Ford, and it's about $100, $120 a piece. Now, most of the time, your issue is with the spark plug, carbon tracking. You put boots on, everything's all well and good in the world. But for the price of doing that, you could do these coils, and I've had really good luck with them. So we're going to throw these coils in. I'm really glad that this spark plug job has almost been finished up here. Let me find the one plug that caused us all the issues. Wasn't that guy? Here it is, found it. So you can see this thing's it's got a little scoliosis going on. So what happened with this plug? Well, this is the crappy old 3-piece spark plug design, which I'm really surprised this truck had because it has 215,000 miles on it. So I got to the last plug on the driver's side by the firewall, of course, and this one broke free, but it would not come out. It was just free spinning inside the hole. Could not get it out. So then my thought was, I'll break the top off here, this porcelain portion of the plug, and then use the extractor tool to go down and take it out. So I thought this guy was broken enough, as you can see, and obviously you're going in blind with the pliers. Went to yank it out, gave it a yank, and the whole thing came out, and the threads in the hole were fine. So not going to complain, but I'm glad this is almost done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, so we're heading over to our buddy Jeremy's over at Woody's Custom Coatings and Repair to pick up some pieces we had powder coated for the Ford Mountaineer project. Stage 2 is coming up, you guys. That's kind of what I have in the works right now. I'm waiting on some parts to be delivered. Then we had to wait for these pieces to get powder coated, obviously. That's going to be a separate video from this one. Yeah, I'm really excited. The house is getting closed on this week, so in a couple days, actually. I'm stressed out, but I'm also excited. So we're going to pick up these parts, and then just bear with me, and this craziness will die off, and we'll get back to more of a normal schedule. I got you this. Dude, I like the hair dye. That looks good. These actually look really good. Holy shit. That is a bright yellow, guys. Costco? Costco, yeah. This is what, the 3rd one? 5th. Okay, I know. No one's going to be able to hear you under your mask, but I understand. Don't want to breathe that in.
5th one.
And you have been, it looks like you were rolling in it. You know, you're supposed to put the yellow on the lift. I got money for you. All right, so now that we cleared the air on all of that stuff, we got the move done. The Fox body is in a different location. I had to move that from the place. Our plan is to do a shop house. So I'm currently looking for a piece of land to get going on that. This is a rental, and I don't want to rent it forever. So I'm gonna work on that shop house build. And then we got some really cool stuff that's coming to the channel. Phase 2 of the Mercury Mountaineer build is coming soon. I just went, as you saw, and picked up some pieces to get powder coated. And then when the rest of the stuff comes in, we'll get that handled. I did just order a new camera too, so you guys will have to let me know with the new camera setup how the quality on the videos looks. And then I got some stuff for the Audi TT, and we have news for the Fox body coming up. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. Drop me a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and as always, we'll see you next time.